Hey everybody, my name is Richard from Richard's Repairs. Um, this is the first video we're going to get started on. I have here a 94 GMC Yukon two-door. It's one of my dream cars I've always wanted. I got this one that's in really good shape cosmetically, but it needs a lot of work mechanically. So I'm going to be making videos, show you how to fix a couple things on it and get this thing back into tip-top shape, and then we'll see maybe if we're going to flip it or if we're going to keep it. But let's look at it really quick. Okay, everybody, this right here is the project in question. It's a 1994 Yukon two-door GT, which I didn't even know was a thing until I saw this one. I've always wanted one of these, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep it or if we're going to fix it and flip it. Cosmetically, it's in really good shape. One owner car, no accidents. It's only got 112,000 miles. But mechanically, it's got quite a few issues. The list I have so far is the radio's not working, the underhood courtesy extension light's not working, the AC doesn't work, the cat's rattling, oil pan gasket's leaking, oil pressure switch is leaking, PCV valve is bad, valve cover gaskets are leaking, valve stem seals are no good, the trip meter doesn't work. And I think it's got a cracked flex plate. It might be rod knock. Not too sure on that one yet. Still got to do a little bit further diagnostics on it. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to do walkthroughs on how to fix everything that's wrong with it, get down to the bottom of it, get this thing running in tip-top shape. It's almost in show car quality. I'll post a picture of it cleaned up. It's pretty dirty right now. But it's in really good shape. We just have a lot to fix mechanically. So if you're out there, I know there's millions of these things out there. If you have some of these common issues as well, we're going to do some walkthroughs on how to fix it and get this thing running like it's supposed to. Stay tuned.